What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make a real simple barbecue rub that goes great on chicken, and then we'll put that on a whole chicken and smoke it on the Weber kettle. Stay tuned and check it out. Guys, this is a very simple rub. I've got 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of coarse black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. That goes really good on chicken. Once you got your rub put together, you want to take the chicken, and I'm going to use a whole chicken. It weighs about 6 pounds. Put just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on it and rub it down all over the skin, and that olive oil is going to act not only as a binder, but it will help the skin get good and golden brown, and it also help it crisp up. Once you do that, just apply the rub very generously all over. You want to coat under the wings and on the back. You can even pull the skin loose without tearing it off and put a little bit extra on the breast meat under the skin, and that will give you an extra layer of flavor. Guys, it's time to put this chicken on the grill. I've got this grill set up with some Cowboy brand lump charcoal. Got a little hickory on there. I'm going to put the chicken opposite the coals and cook it indirectly. I've got my vents both open about halfway, and I'm hoping to keep the temperature around 325 during the entire cook. That will allow for it to get a little smoke flavor on it. Also, the heat coming over and out the vent will cook the chicken. Not only will it cook it, but it should brown up the skin really nice. So put the lid on here and check back on this maybe in about 35 to 45 minutes. Guys, this is 1 hour in. I wanted to show you what it was looking like. Let you see the color on it. Temping just a little under 130 with my thermal pen, so it needs to cook for a few more minutes, but we'll check it back out in about 20 minutes or so. Alright guys, went ahead and pulled it off the grill, and I'm going to go ahead and slice into the breast just a little bit. I'm going to take a little bite of this. Guys, that tasted really good. I could taste the rub on there, a little bit of saltiness, just a little bit of spice to it, had a little kick. Skin was really nice and crispy. I enjoy that. But I appreciate you checking the video out. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think about it. Also, check out some more of my videos. But I'll catch you in the next one, and God bless you.